Hi guys, welcome back to Corbin John. Today we are going to a very unique place called Mool Kitchen and Bar, situated in Fort. So the concept of Mool is very simple. They do home style cooking on your table. I'll explain you what Mool is now. Mool Kitchen and Bar, situated in Fort, Mumbai, is a culinary heaven dedicated to serving authentic, unprecedented and heartful cuisine from all corners of Bharat. Full Bharat, अलग cuisine है बहुत सारे. There are multiple cuisines there. With a menu that celebrates the diversity of Indian home cooking, Mool is committed to bringing original recipes to the table, ensuring an unforgettable dining experience for you all. I know few people who have gone there and they have really loved it. That's why I'm traveling from Andheri to Fort just to experience Mool food. I've heard very good reviews. So let's get started with Corbin John and Mool. So we have reached Mool. Kitchen and Bar, and first we'll have food at Mool, and then we'll have desserts and coffee at Mool Kapi Bar and Bakes. Okay, so let's enter Mool first. It's a pretty good place. I've already placed my order because I reached very late. That's the fully stocked bar, and this is the whole section.
We are serving food from the Mool Kitchen and Bar. So basically our food we are serving from the home chef, which is like served like generation to generations. The same recipe it is carried down over here, and here we are making food over in our kitchen. So basically these all chefs we have over here. These all chefs have been made their recipes, and like some part of the royalty it goes to these chefs as well.
Super. So how many chefs do you have?
We have around 15 chefs.
15 chefs.
We are covering like 15 states. So
Okay.
they have given veg and non-veg as well.
Okay, so
basically.
different chefs has a signature thing which you are serving you.
Their menu is just like the food they have making over there from generation to generation.
Super.
Basically.
The signature cocktail who has designed? Every bartender from
No,
every
it's
state.
like mixologists had decided all these things.
Okay.
So these also represent the states. Basically, it's like Punjab. So Punjab is basically they start with the lassi. and
Punjab
end
is
with
alcohol,
whiskey.
only alcohol.
Yeah, they start with the lassi and end with the whiskey. So we have a combination of that.
Oh,
So
super.
it's called a moga.
I'll have that.
Yeah, and then we have Paori as well. We have few of it like Tuval as well. You can have it.
Super.
All this.
Thank you. So they have a signature 15. I think so you have already heard it, but I'll say it again. 15 chefs. They have their different signatures. So this is Goan. This is Punjabi food. This is Assamese. This is Rajput. This is Kerala. This is Rajasthan. They have different 15 chefs. This is Litti Chokha. This is Calcutta. So I wanted to have this, but this Monday to Thursday only they do this menu which of thali, and they have cocktails also, which is regional cocktails. Like for example, this Punjab ka is whiskey with lassi, and this is something which the server told me to try, a tender coconut chili fry. Looks good. Let me see how it tastes. इतना भूख लगा है कि जल्दी चालू भी करते खाना हम लोगों ने. This is tawa prawns, and this is tawa prawns is for 750 rupees. The Eka kebab 400 rupees. I've started telling the rate because someone continuously is commenting on your YouTube के भाव बताओ. This is dori kebab. This is layer of chicken and mutton together. It's for 800 rupees. 800. And this is Gucci Kali Mirch as starter veg. The three veg, 2 non-veg. This is for 850. You guys from which city? The cocktail?
West Bengal.
West Bengal. Okay. Dori kebab is very good. So it is chicken and mutton mix ka kebab. My mom loved the kebab as well. To do this?
So basically, this is we're from West Bengal, Tanga is from in Bengal side, Hakka community.
Uh-huh.
So we are representing them as a Hakka community. So they do their work.
Acha.
So we are doing this for the work for them.
We are done with the appetizers. I'll tell you, the non-veg was so banging, but the most surprising dish was the tender coconut wala appetizer. I thought that kya hoega? I thought it would be sweet or something, but banging. And
that at home as well.
the morals as well. The morals are also very good, superb. Our main course is here: Goan prawns curry, chitta cooker, and pindi chole with naan, ragi roti, lachha paratha, ragi roti, and knee dosa. We are done with our main course. The main course superb. कैसा था मम्मा आपका एक्सपीरियंस?
It was very tasty.
Very good experience
And
now
quick, the service.
Service was very quick. We requested for a smaller portion for main course. That is not the full portion, it's a smaller portion, and they did that. Now we are going to the Kapi bar where we'll have the dessert, and I might have one coffee, and then the mood experience gets done. But so far, beautiful service, beautiful cocktail, beautiful concept. बस यहाँ पर एक ड्रॉबैक है, वो है पार्किंग बहुत मुश्किल है. मतलब देयर इज नो पार्किंग ओनली क्लोज बाय. इफ यू डोंट हैव अ ड्राइवर देन गेट अ ड्राइवर, और देयर इज अ पे एंड पार्क क्लोज बाय. डू दैट बिकॉज यहाँ पर हाई कोर्ट है एंड एवरीथिंग इज क्लोज बाय. दैट्स व्हाई देयर इज नो पार्किंग. BSc हाई कोर्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. सो या नाउ लेट्स गो एंड हैव desserts and go. So we are done with our food. Now we have come up to Mool Kapi Bar and Bakes. It's a pretty small but a very cute place. So that's there. So they have croissant, then chocolate muffin, cookies, tea cakes, cinnamon rolls, cheese garlic Danish and apple Danish. It's a pretty cute place. So we have ordered a Kapi Michu. This is their signature dish. So sweet ricotta and gulab jamun, creme brulee, then Vietnamese coffee and masala tea. Done. इसके बाद हम जाएंगे. So our sweet ricotta, gulab jamun and Kapi Michu both have come, and both are for 400 rupees only. So yeah, price बोलना compulsory हो गया अभी यार. We are done with Kapi Bar and Bakes as well. Overall, a beautiful Mool experience. An experience, honestly, there's always one dish that stands out and a dish which does not do well. But here, honestly, today, सब कुछ banging था, सब कुछ. And to be honest, I'm non-vegetarian, but my favorite dish was a tender coconut ka appetizer. Superb. And the dessert also, the gulab jamun creme brulee was superb. That ends my Mool experience, and so overall a beautiful experience. मज़ेदार था. Like नीचे खाना, ऊपर dessert and coffee. The Vietnamese coffee also was very good. I didn't take a video of that. I missed it. I had gone to the washroom. We already had poured it. But yeah, मज़ेदार था. Overall a beautiful experience. An experience which I shall surely come back again. So that ends my vlog as well. Keep following me on Godwin John on all social media platforms. Bye.